So hi everyone, I'm here at Roundstone Garden Centre doing Pick Your Own. Right now, as you can see, I'm in the gooseberry patch. Today there's a number of different berries that I want to be picking here, some currants as well if I can. It's a really big farm. All of this is just the gooseberries. So I'm going to be going on to strawberries, raspberries, hopefully some currants, and probably pick up some cabbage to do a bit of sauerkraut. So I'm going to check back in with you and let you know how we get on. So I'm at Roundstone, as I said, and at the moment we're in with the plums, but these aren't ready yet. They're Victorian plums, some of my favourite. So I'm going to be coming back later in the year to get some of these. This is a great little place to bring the kids as well. We have a tractor that will pick people up and take them around the car, so even for older people it's really good. And there's so many different types of crops here. So what I'm looking at now is we're going to start picking raspberries. So I've got my mum with me. So I'm in the raspberry patch now. The raspberries, they're not bad, but I'm going to come back in a couple of weeks because I've got a small amount that I can do something with, but it's not a good bounty at the moment. So I'm going to go on up to the strawberry patch, and they say that that's one of the best crops at the moment, so I'm expecting to pick a lot of strawberries. So I'll be back with you later. It's a couple of hours later. And I'm done now. I'm done with picking. It's not an easy job. But check out my bounty. Pretty cool, huh? So check back and see what I make with all of this.